More snow. What's up guys, Jake here. So today we are going to be going back to a video from Harvest. So I had a video that I put up, it's the first Harvest video that I put up. I took it down because I had a couple of editing errors in there that were kind of annoying me, so I took it down and I re-edited it and I wanted to put it back up. Anyhow, I'm going to get into today's video. We'll talk to you later guys. I ain't gonna beat around the bush. We're gonna do some combining today. So right now I'm just fueling up the 245. So yeah, we're gonna start around noon or so. We've been getting a crap ton of rain, so kind of sucks. It's been raining straight for pretty much the last 2 weeks. We've had a couple days where it's been sunny, but yeah, it's so anyways, yeah, but we got the combine done, everything's ready on that. So we did get the tire spread, so I'll show that to you guys in a little bit, and yeah, it should all be good. But we didn't get the stock stompers though. We had the wrong ones, so we had to go and get some different ones. So I'm gonna be going and hooking the drain cart up. What's up guys, Jake here. So today, we're just cutting some corn. So yesterday, we had some issues, so we were gonna go cut corn. It's Monday now, so this is hopefully gonna go up tomorrow. But yesterday we had a so go bring the combine over here, and then you get we're getting out to go make sure everything's ready to go. Well, then I see fuel dripping down the side of the combine. I'm like, oh shit. I go up in the back and there's 2 little pinholes in the fuel filter. So of course that happens on a Sunday when we first want to start out, and we couldn't get the part yesterday, so we were like, oh, alright, we'll just start today. So we started today. It's all going good. Guys are cutting soybeans now, so soybeans are looking nice. So corn's doing nice. But we're filling up a silo right now with high moisture corn, and we're gonna see what happens. So it's towards the end of the day, as you can see. We got started a little earlier today, so this is really when I had time to film. So I got some drone footage for you guys, so we're gonna play with that, and then see what happens.
this is kind of a lengthy process here unloading this grain cart. It doesn't take all that long, but it's just how it's depending on how fast the blower's blowing all the corn up into the silo takes and empties out of this gravity wagon. So, you know, you let it drain, you fill it up a little bit, and you let it come out, or you let it empty out, and then fill it up again, so. So, we're just gonna pull up to unload on the go here. I got a little bit of a load. We had a nice big load on the combine before. So, 3.5 miles an hour, that's what we're going right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see that that tire is running over the row. That's what we don't want. That's why we're going to put on stock stoppers, because that wears out the tread and wears out the tire really easy. So, well, I'm just going to stop here and just wait for him to get another load. Anyways. Yeah, so, first video of 2016 corn harvest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment on the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'm Jake Lenz. I'll talk to y'all later.